Ngatitarisei this question yakanyorwa in June 1994 and it was under Cambridge. So let us read the following question. Question yedu iri kuti, the diagram shows a sector of a circle with center O and radius R. The length of the arc is equal to half the perimeter of the sector. Find the area of the sector in terms of R. So this is the question we want to answer. Pa question yedu iyi, we are going to reread the question. Ndichikuratidzai kuti how are you supposed to read a question so that you can understand what you are expected to understand. So munozoshandisa when you are answering. So let me do this so that we create some space to write our solution. Question yedu yati, the diagram shows a sector of a circle with center O and radius R. So it's going to be easy to reproduce this because it's simply going to be like this. This is the center O and this is the radius R. Panapa futi zvakare paringe parichi pari R. This is what our diagram is telling us. Ndobva zvazonzi, the length of the arc is equal to half the perimeter of the sector. So zvandoda kuita kuti munyatsokunzwisisa, but I don't expect you kuti muzviite in your exam, but munogona henyu kuzviita. I want to summarize this sentence part inoi ishi because ndo yandiri kuda kuita mathematize kana kuti ndinoda kuinyora in mathematical terms. So zviri kunzi the length of the arc. Satikauya kunoku tonyora kuti chi length of arc is equal to, toisa equal sign, half the perimeter of the sector. Saka tiri kuti half of what? Perimeter of sector. Ndo zviri kureva that sentence. Saka actually zvataita panapa, ta replace a part yakanzi equal to ne equal sign. Then part ino yakanzi the length of the arc, ndo yatangoti length of arc is equal to, tikaisa equal sign, panapa pakanzi half the perimeter of the sector, tavatati half times perimeter of sector. Now we want to know, takadzidza kuti length of arc zvakangofanana nekuti chi arc length, and we have derived this already. Tikaona kuti the length of the arc kana kuti arc length is given by what? R theta, like this. Because question yedu iri kuti find the area of the sector in terms of R. Sacha tiri kuda kutsvaga area of the sector, but tiri kuitsvaga in terms of R. Length of arc ta replace ane the formula R theta is equal to half of, then kuside kunoku perimeter of sector. Perimeter, from when we started to learn about perimeter, takadzidza kuti a perimeter, what is it? It is the distance right round a shape. That is what a perimeter is. Handiti. Saka perimeter panapa, tikada kutangira pa this point, tichienda kuside uku, and tingeta kuti R plus, then panapa, which is the arc length part, R theta plus, then chi kuside uku R again. Saka tatotora different lengths around that sector, because a perimeter is the distance right round a sector, cannot a shape, a sector in this context of course. So this is what we have when we mathematize. And it then panapa, let us just solve this a little. Saka R theta inenge equal to half of what? Mukati muno R plus R and 2R plus R theta, like that. Asi isusu tinoziva already kuti the area of, maybe let me write in a different color. Tinoziva already kuti the area of sector is equal to half r squared theta. You can watch our previous recordings. That's where you are going to learn zvatataura panapa. Area of sector is equal to half r squared theta. Ndenge ndakungoti r theta is equal to, then panapa I'm going to remove brackets. Kureva kuti inenge iri half times 2r plus half times r theta, like this. Mapaona. Then of course half times 2r zvinogona kucancela ma2 panapa. Kureva kuti inenge yachi r theta is equal to r plus half r theta, like that. Mapaona. Then r uyu tikamuisa kuside uku, zvoreva kuti tinge tanani na r theta minus r is equal to half of r theta, like that. Tinoda kutsvaga kuti theta ambori equal to chi. Theta watinenge tawana tomsubstituta into this formula, then tikadaro tinenge takwanisa kuwana the area of the sector in terms of r. Because kana zvinzi area of sector in terms of r, zviri kureva kuti the only variable inofanirwa kunge iri inside the formula of the area of the sector should be r. Saka by design we have to replace theta with a number. Saka tikacalculate tikakwanisa kuwana theta, tozo replace theta ushu panapa, tinenge tatoita express the area of the sector in terms of r. So I really hope kuti manzwisisa ndiri kuzama kuti kudini. Saka zvatinge takungoita panapa ndeizvi, tinenge takuti r theta tawatati minus half of r squared theta, like this. Then this is equal to r, just rearranged panapa. Then of course to make life simpler, ndika factor out theta apo, like this. Ndinosara ndinani r and tobadati minus half of chi of r, like this. This is equal to r. Let me further simplify it. Theta mukatu meaning r minus r over 2. Dango multiply r times 1 kutive r over 2. This is equals to r ikava over 1 panapa. Tikasolva zvemukati mema brackets, theta inenge irichi 2r, because it's 2 times r, minus 1 times r, which is r, over 1 times 2, which is 2, like this. And this is equal to r. Saka panapa theta iri kumultiply 2r minus r and r over 2, which is equal to chi r. But isusu toda kusara na theta chete, saka kuno kuside ticha multiply na 2 over r. So that 2 uyu anocancela 2 uno uyu, r ocancela r uyu, tawatati times 2 over r, like that. Mapaona. So this then inge yava equal to chi theta is equal to ma r yanocancelana, since these things are multiplying, saka theta inge equal to 2. Saka na theta is equal to 2, theta koti, therefore area of sector is equal to what? Half of r squared theta, which is equal to theta taunot in the 2, saka it's half of r squared times 2. Matua yakachekana, zoreva kuti it's simply r squared that is going to be our answer. So this concludes this question. Kana mine muvunzo, please do not hesitate to ask the questions. You ask them in the comments section or on the numbers we are going to provide at the end of this video and also in the description of this video. Otherwise, thank you and take care.